Applying mascara can be quite a task, but I'm here to teach you just that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and stay tuned. So the first step that I'm going to be doing is curling your lashes, which is a very important step. I'm going to be doing it with a curling wand, which I'm going to be using. I'm going to nicely just take the curling wand and place all my eyelashes in it and press it and hold it for 10 seconds. The product that I'm going to be using today is Superstar False Lash Mascara by L'Oreal. I'm using that because it has a primer in it also. So I'm going to be taking the number 1 primer first. So the product that I'm going to be using today is False Lash Superstar by L'Oreal. It has a primer in one end and the mascara on the other end. It's a waterproof mascara. So the primer gives a lot of volume and length and makes the mascara last longer, and the mascara is amazing and waterproof, which gives a lot of volume and intensity to the lashes. The first step that I'm doing is removing the wand of the primer end, and I'm going to be applying the primer. Always remember, whenever you're applying the mascara, always start from the end, from the root, and wriggle and come upwards. Very important is the wriggling step. Wriggle and upwards, wriggle and upwards. What the primer is going to do, it's going to increase the volume and length of the lashes and make the mascara last longer. You need to wait till the primer has dried off completely. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, taking the curler and curling my lashes, holding it for 10 seconds. Applying the primer. From the roots, wriggle and come upwards. And come upwards. So we need to wait for a few seconds till the primer sets completely. When it sets completely, it's going to become absolutely transparent, so we need to wait till then. So the next step that I'm going to be doing is application of mascara. Always remember that your hair grows in different directions on your eyelids, so you need to apply the direction of the mascara in different angles. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to pick up the mascara with the mascara wand. Always remove all the excess from the wand, and then we're going to be using it. Remember one thing, never pump your mascara like this so many times inwards, because in this process you're not going to pick up mascara, but you're going to put in air inside. When you fill in air, the mascara will dry faster. So this is a very important step to be remembered. So I'm going to take this and then apply it on my lashes. Starting with the application, I'm going to start with the inner end first, going inwards, then straight upwards, and then angular outwards. So I'm starting with the inner corner, wriggle and come up. Wriggle and come up. Wriggle, and now I'm going outwards. Can you see the difference already between the eye with no mascara and the eye with mascara? We're going to remove all the excess with a plain wand. Starting with the inner corner, coming outwards, going straight upwards from the center, wriggle, wriggle, come up, and then from the sideways going outwards. removing all the clumps and separating the lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm going to be using Summer 20 Mascara by Kiko Milano. This has a very thin wand which I can use for my lower lashes. Applying it gently. You need to be very careful while applying on your lower lashes that you don't end up applying it on your skin. This mascara is really nice and the wand is really thin for the lower lashes. You see how lovely my lashes are looking with this. Okay, I'm going to be giving a final touch to my upper lashes also with this, and we're done. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and stay tuned for some more updates. Thanks for watching.